Ever wondered how Bitcoin transactions get recorded? Well, it's all thanks to something called blockchain. Think of it as a public ledger, a grand book of records, if you will, that contains all transaction data from anyone who uses Bitcoin. These transactions aren't just haphazardly thrown into this ledger, instead they're neatly packed into blocks. These blocks are like links of code that make up this powerful chain where each and every transaction must be recorded. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds complex. But don't worry, we'll break it down. So how does this Bitcoin blockchain work? Well, imagine a ledger where each page represents a block. On each page or block, transactions are recorded in a linear, chronological order. When a page or block is filled with these transactions, a new page is turned, or in our case, a new block is created. This process continues in a linear, chronological order, forming the blockchain. Now, here's the crucial part. Once a block is added to the chain, it's sealed, it can't be altered. This feature adds a layer of credibility and trustworthiness to Bitcoin. In a nutshell, Bitcoin blockchain is like a growing list of records, each linked securely to the one before it. Magic, isn't it? But why is Bitcoin blockchain so important, you ask? Well, let's break it down. The true brilliance of Bitcoin blockchain lies in its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional banking systems where a central authority holds sway, here everyone in the network has equal control. This means no single entity can manipulate the system. Then there's transparency. With Bitcoin blockchain, anyone can view the transaction history. It's like an open ledger where everyone can see who paid whom and how much, fostering trust among users. But it's not just about being open and decentralized, it's also about security. The blockchain design prevents tampering of records, making it virtually impossible to alter past transactions. And here's the kicker. Blockchain technology isn't just limited to Bitcoin. It's paving the way for numerous other applications, revolutionizing everything from supply chain management to voting systems. So next time you hear Bitcoin blockchain, remember it's not just tech jargon, it's a revolution in how we record and verify transactions. And that's your bite-sized blockchain breakdown.